What the fuck? Jesus Christ! What the fuck? Oh my god, these guys are crazy. What? What was that? Oh my god, did you see? Oh my god, that is so crazy. Lock the video.
Video protected.
Jesus. Oh guys, I don't know who you are, but absolutely epic. What? No way, no way. that, oh, man. Bro. But they brought a sign, yes. Man, amazing. Hello, Vale. Jesus. I have no idea, people, wherever you are, thank you very much. That was absolutely fantastic. Bruh, but man, but this was stealth. They didn't say anything. Hey, Mr. C, we're gonna come see you. Something like that. Nothing. Bruh. Man, that was crazy. That, man. Cannot believe this shit. By far, like, but man, what? I have so many questions. Bro. What? Man, this is it. I'm gonna be cringe right now. I know, but I feel like the Bandit were like Smokey. That was unbelievable. Whatever bad feeling or bad sadness I had from yesterday, this was over the top. This is insane. People, thank you very much.
In 1.5 kilometers, turn left.
But how? Where? Who are you? What? Why? Please answer at least one of those questions.
It's too cold to look that way.
Who that?
This is Bandit talking.
Where are you, you son of a bitch?